Hello everyone and welcome back to FunMathology. Now today's topic is how to compare decimals. Now this is the part 5 of the decimal series. Now students, let's recall that in the last lecture, right, we have learned about conversion of unlike decimals to like decimals. Now today we'll learn how to find out which decimal number is greater or smaller. So let's jump in. See, let's take an example. For example, you go to a shop, you bought some chocolates. Now, costing rupees 25 point, let's say 25 paisa, and few chocolates for rupees 25.50 paisa. Now, which is costlier? Right? So you went to a shop, you bought some chocolates, few costing 25 rupees 25 paisa and few cost rupees 25.50 paisa. Now which is costlier? So to explain this, right, we need to compare decimals. Now always remember, start from the left and go to the right in terms of comparison. So first of all, we'll study step by step, don't worry. For now, just remember that we'll start from left and we'll go to the right. So first we'll compare whole numbers, then we'll compare the decimal numbers after the decimal point. So first of all, we'll compare the whole numbers, then after the point, we'll see tens, hundreds, thousands and so on. So from left, we'll go to the right. So students, always remember, right, as I told you before in the last lecture, that extra zeros don't change the value. Like in equivalent decimals, you have learned that, 5.50 is same as 5.5, is also same as 5.500. So you can go on adding extra zeros, the value will remain same. Got it? So let's see the step-by-step method. So whenever you get a chance to compare decimals in real life and also in your examination, always follow these steps. Okay? So let's see the first step. Always convert the unlike decimal into like decimal. So you know how to convert it, right? So the first step would be convert the unlike decimal into like decimals. We have just seen in the last lecture. So this is the first step. The next step would be what? Compare the whole number. So see, in the first step, so what you need to do? So in order to convert the decimal, unlike decimal to like decimal, always equalize the number of digits after the decimal points. Got it? So we'll see again. We have seen it before, we'll see it again. Next is obviously compare the whole number first. If the whole number portion is same for both the numbers, then go to step 3. What is that? If the whole numbers are same, then start comparing from the 10th digits. So start comparing from the 10th digits, that is after the decimal, right? Got it? The step 4 will be what? Number with higher digit at the same place is always greater, right? So these are the 4 steps. So first of all, convert the unlike decimals to like decimals, then compare the whole number. If the whole number is same in both the numbers, then start comparing from the 10th digits, right? So the number with the higher digits at the same place is greater. So these are the 4 steps. Let's apply these 4 steps in a problem or in an example, right? So we have taken an example. Compare 149.75 and 149.705, right? So let's go with step 1. So what is step 1? So convert unlike decimals to like decimals. So we'll convert this one. Why? Because after the decimal point, the second number has 3 digits. But the first number after the decimal point has 2 digits. So we have to make this as 3 digit. So if I convert, means the equivalent fractions that we have learned. So the equivalent fraction of 149.75 will be, just add a 0. 1 0 is needed to make this 3 digit. So 149.750. Got it? So now what we have? Now we have 149.750 and we have 149.705. Now see, after the decimal point 3 digits, after the decimal point 3 digits, so these are now like decimals. So recollect step number 2, what was that? Compare the whole numbers. Now what are the whole numbers? 149 in each case, 149 in each case, right? Here and here. So if the whole numbers are same, then go to step 3. So what is step 3? Step 3 is start comparing from the tens digit in case the whole number is same. So whole numbers are same, so we'll go for comparing. So let's write it for clarity's sake, both the numbers here. Okay, just keep a distance apart, 149.705, right? So right here tens place, tens place, right? And here hundreds place, hundreds. So what is the tens place here? Here is 7 and here is also 7. So 7 is equal to 7. So the tens place are same. Till now we don't know which one is greater. Let's go for the hundreds place. So hundreds place is 5 here and here is 0. So let's write 5, here is 0. Now 5 is greater than 0. So we don't need to check anymore for the third one. So here in the hundreds place we got 5 is greater than 0. Here the 5 is greater than 0. So we can say step 4. So the digits with the high number is greater. So 149.750 is greater than 149.705. So the original one, we can say 149.75 is greater than 149.705. Got it? So this is a very simple step. Okay. So I'll give you few examples. You can pause the video and you can try. Okay. You can try at home. I'll give you some examples. Right. 4.6 and 4.56. Got it? Example 3, 2.35 and 2.4. Okay. Example 4, 3.07 and 3.7. Tell me which one is greater. Okay. So we'll end here. I'll just give you 3 examples, right? So example 1, we have chalked it out and worked it out. So you know the steps. Now I have given you 3 problems, right? So please write me the answer in the comment box. Okay. In the next class, we'll start ordering of decimals. So we'll learn ordering of decimals, means how to arrange decimals in the ascending and or in the descending order, right? Thanks for watching, kids. Thanks for watching, students. In the next class, obviously we'll learn. So for now, bye bye for now and have a great day. Thanks.